Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to enable USB boot options on your Dell Inspiron. In my case I have the Inspiron 3000. So I'm going to turn it on and I'll click F12 so that we go to the boot menu. F12, as you can see here, it shows going to the boot menu. So what happens here, we don't have the USB boot options right now. We don't have the USB boot options. And what we're going to do, you can go ahead and click on, go to BIOS system, BIOS setup by clicking that option and enter. So I'm going to restart the system so that you know how to go to the BIOS system. So to go to the BIOS system, you have to click F2 while the computer restarts. You have to click F2. So you have to click F2 when the computer restarts, but you could have gone to the other option to go to the BIOS. So it's going to the BIOS setup. As you can see, it is preparing to enter the BIOS. So when you reach here, we have some few options. We have the boot sequence. So let me focus a bit. If I'm shaking, I'm sorry about that. So we're going to go to this part here, boot sequence. Everything is okay there. Then I'll go to secure. I'll go and check on this. Still this is okay. Okay. Then I'll go to system configurations. Then I'll go to USB configurations. Then I have to enable this option so that I can be able to boot my Windows through the USB. So this is the option you have to enable. You have to enable these two options. So I'll go ahead and say apply and save changes. And after I'll just go and say exit. So in the process I have to go and click F12 when the computer restarts. So F12 will take me to the boot menu. And we expect to have the USB boot options enabled. And we have our USB boot options enabled here. So what you're going to do, you're going to click the down arrow key and then click enter. And this will start loading the Windows files from the USB drive, as you can see. So this is going to take a few seconds to load. And in your case, it may show a Windows logo, but in this case, it shows the Dell logo. So what you're going to do, you have to wait a bit for the computer to read the Windows files from the USB, and this will take just a few seconds. And then here we are good to go. We have our Windows 8.1, and this could be Windows 7 or any. So what we have here, you can go ahead and do the other steps for installing Windows. In this video, I was quickly showing you how to USB boot your Windows. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.